Some years ago, I was privileged to pastor somewhere in the US. And we were searching for a property to acquire. And then we went somewhere with some leaders of the church and we began to look at the property. And in the course of looking at the property, someone came to us and told us that some other organization had already indicated interest and they were about to close on the sale of that property. So I told the leaders, let's go back. Let's leave it, let's go back. The following morning, the next morning, as early as 7 a.m., we saw a lineup of vehicles, these huge trucks, heavy trucks, lineup of them, a couple of them parked in front of the church. So I asked, who are those ones? And they said to me, they are the owners of the property you went to see yesterday. I said, okay, take them to the conference room. And they took them to the conference room and they were there waiting. Then we took some time, relaxing, allowing them to wait. And then got to the conference room. And they all got up, good morning, what can we do for you? Caucasians, all of them. And they said, we are the owners of the property you came to see yesterday. I said, but we're told that some other people are already closing on the property. They said, yes, that is true. But when we heard that Winners Chapel came yesterday, come on, you are not hearing what I'm saying. When we heard that Winners Chapel came yesterday and they are interested, we decided to come by ourselves. That is faraway land. And I began to adjust the way I sat down on my chair. And I said to them, why? Why? They said, we know you. We know the church. We know that for others, after they close, they have to go and wait for a bank to borrow them money to pay. But we know Winners Chapel, that if you say you want to buy, you can pay us today. So I said to them, you are not wrong. You are not wrong. And he will glorify them. They shall not be small. God will decorate somebody in this season. As a commission, we have enjoyed glorification. And you belong to this church family. Shame will never come near your tabernacle. You are shouting amen. Your voice is the loudest. So when the testimony and the breakthrough look small, the secret to multiplication is what? Thanksgiving.